Come on. Come on, baby. This is me walking my cat. It's kind of dark out here, so you can't really see that well. But I take her outside all the time in her little jackets and take her for a walk. Come on, baby. Come on. She's not really like a dog, but a little bit like it. I am walking her. It is interesting. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on. My friend's making fun of me in the background, but so what? She's cool, and she's my cat, and I taught her how to walk on a leash, so come on, baby. Come on. Nice. There you go.